Hi famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our homes, in our houses. There's no need to buy what you don't have. Anyway, let's cook macaroni. What? I don't know what we'll call it, but get your red, green and yellow pepper, of course, with your onion. You can cut it the way you like. Okay, today I wanted is it strips? Yes, I wanted strips. And this is my chicken breast. It looks fresh, like somebody who's not talking. So you're gonna add your different types of spices and your garlic, crushed garlic. This is hot archer. I had it. It's not a must. And then your sweet sour stir fry sauce. It's not a must to have that archer. It's just that I had it and I saw it in the fridge. I'm like, who are you? So then after you mix everything together, as soon as your chicken is ready, you're going to add aside. You can add anything, right? Your macaroni, sorry. You can add your macaroni. Make sure that you boil them aside. Let your macaroni not be a pap. Don't turn or transform your macaroni into ipapa, please. They must be fluffy. And you're going to add anything that you like. Here I added ham and cheese. If you don't have ham, you can add your paloni. And this is just a normal cheddar cheese. But you can add your mozzarella if you like it, that way, that manner of mozzarella. And then you're going to put your stir fry. A sweet and sour stir fry. Even here, there's no need for sweet and sour stir fry. You can put anything. One thing about cooking is that it's very creative. You just put what you have. What did I say? In this video, we cook what we have. We are not going to stress ourselves. So this is the final product. Of course, they were very nice. Come on now. So we are dishing up. Yo, how are yazi mazulu sidlile kamnandi. Yazi sidlile kamnandi. This is just a quickest meal that you can do during your festives, trying to impress your boyfriend's parents in case they decide angisho wena ufuna ukutshengisa before bakushata. Says if you yakufuna lo muntu wakho uzokuthatha, there's no need to go and cook. Then yeah, we are done. As easy as that. You added fresh parsley. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Bye. May God bless you. Bless what you have.